update on the game room. Every machine is working. So walking in, you've seen front power drift, very nice. Next to that Gorf, and next to that Tempest. Okay, so let's just walk into the room a little bit. And so there you go, there's the power drift. There's Gorf talking to us. And there, hopefully you can see Tempest. It's a little bit reflecty. Okay, there's the marquee. Right, turning around in the corner, I've got just like a vertical, effectively a jammer cab, custom made. He's currently running a Tato licensed nibbler board. It's got a few faults on it, like no music, which is sometimes a benefit. I'll come back to that. That's Donkey Kong Jr. I'll have to restart that one. It's moaning because of something else. Console games at the top: VCS, SNES, Super Famicom, Mega Drive, Dreamcast, PSP, PS Vita stuff, PCBs, MBS stuff. There's some more. There's some PS3 and Wii stuff, PS1 stuff, a few consoles. Some more PCBs up there, got an STV, various other boards and consoles, and I've got a pin in the corner, Twilight Zone, modded that with the colour LED or LCD kit from Colour DMD, nice night law mat from Oliver Fry, signed Doom. Poster there, signed by John Mero. Some of my scores up there, you might not be able to see. A pathetic nibbler score of 59,000, slightly off. There's me, Sega Rally time, 3:21:33. And down here we have got Robo Cocktail. No scores really set by me at the minute because I did some work on it and reset everything. But it's a very, very beautiful machine. Massive, real chunky cocktail. It's got a 19-inch monitor in there. Okay. And Sega Rally. And a couple of mascots watching. Okay.
Sega Rally Championship.
Well, we'll see. We'll see if Donkey Kong Jr. will boot. I don't know what's up with that. Let's have a look. It's actually got Jochen Hippel's high score save kit connected, which doesn't seem to be very happy at the minute. Never had that fail actually. Let's try. It's not happy with that. I'm going to reboot Donkey Kong Jr. What is that? Right, let's see if it's happier this time. It might be me routers playing up.
Sega Rally Championship.
Very well be my router. Let's just reset the router. Oh, it's booted now because it ignored it. My layman score 121,000. Needs to get into play. I need to do this with a lot of machines. It's got an interesting plaque on it. It came from America. This game is free for the enjoyment of our patience. It just about sums up where it is now. Okay, so that's just a quick mini tour of the game room. That's a Sega Rally. An actual Sega Rally, it's not got a main in it or anything. Okay, so all machines working, which is the sort of thing you want. Oh, I've got nice bit of artwork. There's a New Zealand story. Love that game. And there's a Bob Wakeling New Zealand story they did for Ocean. Nice that. Okay.